and then you're ready to rock and roll.
Okay.
My name is Unique Wethington.
My name is Journey.
Cesario Duncan.
Kenai Clough.
My name is Michael Duncan. I'm the Executive Director of Native Dads Network.
I'm Shane Grammer. My nonprofit is Hope Through Art Foundation.
My name is Annalicia Ramos.
It's Joseph White.
Olivia.
My name is Alina.
My name is Maya.
My name is Love Duncan. I'm Konkawalaki Wintun and Western Band Shoshone from Round Valley Indian Reservation.
My tribes are Yurok and Tolowa.
Nia Bay, Washington, we're the Makah Nation.
Pomo tribe.
Konkawalaki Wintun from Round Valley and Western Band Shoshone from Nevada.
Shoshone. Mona Rancheria.
The Yaqui Indians.
Yaqui and Chichimeca in Mexico.
The Round Valley Indian tribes. I'm Maidu, Wintun, Wailaki on my father's side, and I'm Western Band Shoshone Tomok on my mother's side.
You ready?
What does MMIW mean?
It means missing and murdered Indigenous women.
Almost kind of like how news spreads awareness about stories. That's what we're trying to do with this mural.
I wanted to be a part of something that I thought was bigger than me and that would impact a lot of people.
Growing up, before I met Love, I thought I was like the only Native American in my school.
I've gotten bullied for having long hair. That was the time that I made the decision of cutting my hair because I was like, you know what, I keep getting made fun of. I regret it now, but...
I got picked on for just having long hair, and my dad told me I should be proud of my long hair and proud of who I am as a person, as a Native.
When I came home from the second day, I started drawing and then I started making song lyrics. So I feel like this motivated me to do things I like.
Within the day, the second day, our leadership will see leaders that arise, youth that will take initiative.
Boom Move's really fun, going up there, doing precise lines.
I just like the colors and the details of how everybody's paying attention.
And I like the message overall.
My favorite part of the mural has to be the red dress representing MMIW.
The work is just beginning. This is a beautiful time for Woodland and for Native Dads Network and the school district and our partnership, and we're really pleased with the work so far.
My favorite part of the mural is just meeting new people and getting to have this opportunity. We get to put something important into this town.
It's living proof that, hey, we're still here.
We're gonna be here forever. We're gonna be loud and proud that this is our land.
What is the meaning of being Native American to me is celebrating your culture because at one point we weren't allowed to.